5 African multinational commercial bank groups, including KCB Group, Standard Bank Group, UBA Group, Ecobank Group, and Access Bank Group, signed a Memorandum of Understanding with Afreximbank's Pan-African Payment and Settlement System to facilitate settlement of cross-border transactions across the African continent. The Memorandums of Understanding were signed on 19 June 2023 at the opening ceremony of Afreximbank's 30th anniversary celebrations and 30th annual meetings held in Accra, Ghana, in the presence of head of state and prime ministers from Africa and the Caribbean, heads of the continental policy and governance institutions, as well as international institutions. The signature of these memorandums signifies a step forward in the pursuit of seamless cross-border trade payments throughout the almost 40 countries covered by these banks. The broad collaboration between African commercial banks and the Pan-African Payment and Settlement System will pave the way for enhanced efficiency, transparency, and reliability in intra-African settlement. The adoption of the Pan-African Payment and Settlement System, cutting-edge settlement model, will streamline operations and empower businesses by providing a secure and technologically advanced platform for cross-border transactions. As part of this partnership, KCB Group, Standard Bank Group, UBA Group, Ecobank Group, and Access Bank Group will collaborate closely with the PAPSS to ensure seamless integration of PAPSS into the existing systems. This collaborative effort will include opening up all the African footprints for PAPSS, facilitating settlement for transactions, encouraging the participation of fintech in PAPSS through the banks, and expanding PAPSS to all banks' current digital channels such as mobile app banking and e-banking. These memorandums of understanding will be put into effect gradually in partnership with central banks in the countries where the 5 group banks operate. Customers of the banks in Africa will be informed through the usual channels of communication as soon as the service becomes available in their countries. The Pan-African Payment and Settlement Systems, PAPSS, and the banks will be working together, making this service available towards year-end.